Did you know that in the 18th century, a popular method for curing hiccups involved having someone scare you? Yes, people believed that a good fright could reset your diaphragm. Speaking of bizarre health remedies, in ancient Rome, wealthy citizens would use crushed mouse brains as a face cream. Talk about a squeaky clean complexion. In the 1600s, the Dutch were so obsessed with tulips that they traded houses for a single bulb. That's right, a flower was worth more than your home. And here's a twist. During the Great Plague, some folks thought that bathing was dangerous and avoided it altogether. They believed it would open their pores to the disease. So next time you think about skipping a shower, remember those brave souls. Want to hear more crazy stories? Just like and subscribe.